Hey, hi-de-ho everybody. We're back at it again with another round of Ouchy Bird. Now, Ouchy Bird is a fun game, even though it sort of turns out the guy who suggested me to play it was the creator. He sort of scammed me into giving him a free shout out, but hey, you know what, it's a fun game, and I want to play it again because I'm kind of addicted now. So, let's go ahead and jump right into not Flappy Bird, what is it? Flappy Bird's gone. This is Ouchy Bird. Reminds me a little bit of Flappy Bird. Just the name, though. Alright. Ouchy Bird. Round 2. Here we go. Should just put in that, music. Alright, here we go. I got one down. Here we go, boys. Oh, dang it. Oh, come on. I'm so bad at this. You know, my friend Blaze, he showed me his score. He started playing this game after I made a video of it. He got to 9 in a day. He got to 9 in a day, and I, you know, it's been weeks and I haven't passed 5. Or maybe a week. It's probably been a week. Alright, there we go. We're at 1. Damn it. A 2 3 4 5. Ah! I don't even know how you're supposed to get that fat bird through. Alright, we got to 5 though. Alright, that's 1. 2. Dang it. Oh, I suck. Hey, we did it. There we go. We're up to 2. That's 3. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. 4. We're on fire. We're on fire. 5. Alright, here we go. Come on. Ah. Alright, that's 1. Dang it. And now we gotta watch the advertisement, but it's alright. Hope you're enjoying making all this money, guy, huh? Gee whiz. Come on. Here we go. Am I the worst gamer ever? Is that it? Is that it? I'm just the worst? Actually, I tell you what, there is one game I'm pretty good at, and that's Battle Minigame on Minecraft Xbox 360. I'm actually really good at that. But the whole Minecraft genre is sort of played out at this point, so I think I'll stick to mobile games for now. Ah, God. I blame that one on the cough. Damn it. Come on. Jesus. Alright, we got it this time, guys. We got it. There we go. That's 1. We're going for the record here. Today, that's 2. Say it loud, say it proud. We're going for the record. 4. Oh, God! Oh, I thought he made it. I thought he made it. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There we go. I like how they give you the little thumbs up when they hit the ground. But it's like, why are you falling in the one place there's a windmill? It's not like there's other windmills, you know, all over this forest. This is literally the one windmill. Oh, are you kidding me? He was so close to the ground. Oh my God. Alright, we're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. That's 3. 4. Damn it. I hit him twice. Time to leave, we sold the house. This game's creepy. I say it all the time. Alright. We're not gonna watch it. Skip. It's 1. Three. I give up. No, I don't give up. I want to play again. This game is so addicting. You get so frustrated with it that you want to break your iPad, and then you just have to play again. This game's got to be becoming a success. Ah, jeez. I don't even know how I could have done that better. Oh my god. Alright, this is the last round I'm doing, then I'm done. Yep, just like that. I'm done. Well, hey, you know what? Thank you for watching me try to play Ouchy Bird once again. It's a fun game. I like it. I enjoy it. I don't have a affiliate link. This is not a sponsored video, so don't download the game if you don't want to. But if you want to, the option's there. It's a free world. Do what you want. I'll see you next time.